Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best TJ long arm kit that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Rough Country lower fixed control arms. For a 3-inch lift, these long arms will be a perfect fit. Compared to the factory TJ gear, they will make the vehicle feel brand new and you'll be in more control over the road, not to mention all those bumps that used to be a problem won't be worth your attention anymore. The best thing about the Rough Country kit, it doesn't make you choose between off-roading and regular driving. The arms will improve ride quality, control and smoothness regardless of the terrain. Next up is the Chore 4x4 front control arm set. This arm set is made in the United States and boasts incredible build quality. During an extensive test, our experts were pleased by the durability and reliability of this Chore long arm kit. It's available in 8 different colors and is overall more colorful than most rivals on the market. It's worth mentioning that these are adjustable arms. What that means is that you can change the axle's position and slightly adjust the caster's angles. The Jeep's axle in turn will move freely, allowing for more control over the road and smoother ride quality. Last on the list is the Rubicon Express RE3780 front upper Superflex control arm. Like the previous set, this is also adjustable and gives you more room to maneuver. The design is a bit different though, and the entire kit consists of several separate parts. They can all be easily greased, which results in a noise-free, comfortable ride. People that love off-roading in quiet will appreciate what Rubicon Express has done with this long arm set. However, there's one tiny con, and that's the lack of a proper bolt nut set. The package does include some, but they're simply not enough. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.